Ganda. Basa dito oh. Wow, ang ganda.
Bigyan mo muna kay Mustafa yung maral.
Mustafa is nice. She asked me to give it to you.
So I can take it. Ano mo sa kanila?
Ano kasi ang this? Ang lamig. Zoom. Ayun, hindi ako abot yan. Sumato na. Tingnan mo. You can see that bridge. Ayaw, kasi sensitive ng distance.
Still working? Still moving?
Yeah.
Daddy, still moving?
No, I off it.
Station mo. Dapat.
Daddy, take the car now and we'll meet you. Where natin? Will we go with you?
No, it's not for you. I'll go myself. Bring it with me here.
No, but I want to walk more.
Walk more where I will meet you.
I need you. You know where to go to the store?
Yeah.
May phone ba siya?
Wala eh.
Oh, mahirap siya sa phone.
You see where the parking spot there? That
Bigyan yung
sign
phone
is
mo.
on
Bigyan
there.
yung phone mo.
No, but you need to go. Park your car, whatever. And then we'll meet you at the, that one.
Yeah.
That's where it's meeting in front of that.
That's in that one?
Yeah.
Okay, you can walk there?
Yeah.
Okay,
Give
then
your
take
phone
it.
to...
Hindi, ganyan, alam niya yun. Alam niya.
No, don't
Ay,
worry.
tawagan
I
niya
know the
natin.
Ferris wheel.
Hindi,
Relax,
don't worry. We'll not worry.
I'm worried.
No! Ginagawa namin lagi yun.
Are you sure, Mustafa?
Para makalakad pa tayo ng gano'n.
Oo nga.
Hindi ka naman pa gano'n sa kanila.
Are you sure, Mustafa? Be careful, ha?
Hindi ko, lalayo na siya.
Okay.
Give me change for parking.
Parking?
Yeah.
How much? You will pay.
How much do you have? Points.
I have the card.
You will pay later, right? Don't park in the street. Park there in car. Parking. $5.
Masarap kumuha ng zoom. Kaya lang ako
Mababasa.
mababasa.
Kaya nga banda doon na tayo. Kasi makikita mo naman yan doon. Para siyang umuulan, ano?
Oo nga. Hindi makipaglakad na ako. So, I walk to remember.